Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn Haitian Creole. In today's video, we'll be covering dialogue for a car repair shop. Allô tout le monde. Bienvenue encore dans Apprendre Creole Haïtien. Vidéo jeudi, on a couvert dialogue pour les ou mener machine ou dans un garage. OK? À nous commencer. Merci. So for hello, if you want to say hello, you say allo. 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 If it's morning and you want to be specific, you would say good morning, good morning. In Creole, you say bonjour, 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 good morning, good morning, bonjour. If it's after 12 p.m. and you want to be specific, you would say good afternoon, good afternoon. In Creole, you say bonsoir, bonsoir. Pour bonsoir, OK? Si c'est après-midi, nous dit good afternoon, bonsoir. How may I help you? Ki jam ka ede ou? How may I help you? Ki jam ka ede ou? How can I help you? Ki jam ka ede ou? So you go to a shop and you don't have an appointment. Okay, so you want to know if they can look at your car that day. Can you look at my car today? Eske ou ka cheke? Eske ou ka cheke? Can you check? Cheke is check. Eske ou ka cheke machine mwen an, my car, jodi ya, today? Eske ou ka cheke machine mwen an, jodi ya? Can you look at my car today? Can you check my car today? Eske ou ka cheke machine mwen an, jodi ya? If the answer is yes, the person will say, yes, I can. Yes, I can. Oui, mwen kapab. Oui, mwen kapab. Yes, I can. If the answer is no, then the person will say no. Okay, no, no, I don't have time. Mwen pa gen tan. I don't have time. Mwen pa gen tan. No, I will not have time. No, mwen pap gen tan. Future, mwen pap gen tan. Okay? No, mwen pap gen tan. No, I will not have time. No, mwen pa gen tan. No, I don't have time. If you want to be specific, then you can say, we are very busy. We are very busy. Nous très occupés. Très means very. Nous très occupés. Or you can say, nous occupés en pile. Nous occupés en pile. We are very busy. If you're not busy, okay, we are not busy, you say, nous pas occupés. Nous pas occupés. We are not busy. Nous pas occupés. You want to know what the person need. So you say, what do you need? What do you need? Besoin is need. Qui ça ou besoin? Qui ça ou besoin? What do you need? Qui ça ou besoin? What's wrong with the car? Qui ça? Qui ça is what? Qui ça machine na gagné. Machine is car and gagné is to have. Qui ça machine na gagné? What's wrong with the car? What does the car have? Qui ça machine na gagné? I need new brakes. I need to change my brakes. Mwen bezwen changer frein. Mwen gen problem frein. I have brake problems. Mwen gen problem frein. Mwen bezwen changer frein. I need to change my brakes. I need new brakes. Mwen bezwen changer frein. The muffler is making a loud noise. The muffler is making a loud noise. Muffler, muffler is muffler. Muffler ap fait, it's doing yon gros bruit. Gros is like big or loud in this case. And then bruit is noise. Muffler ap fait yon gros bruit. The muffler is making a loud noise. Muffler ap fait yon gros bruit. It's heating up. It's heating up. Lap chauffe. Li ap chauffe. Chauffe is to heat up. Okay. Li ap plede chauffe. Lap plede chauffe. In this case, plede means it keeps happening. It continues to happen. Plede also means to argue back and forth. Okay. Lap plede chauffe. Lap chauffe. It's heating up. It keeps heating up. Lap chauffe. I have a flat tire. Mwen gen, I have. Mwen gen, I have. Yon pan. Yon pan, Pan means something is not working. Okay. So in this case, the tires are not working. Mwen gen yon pan caoutchouc. Mwen gen yon pan caoutchouc. I have a flat tire. I was in a car accident. Mwen te fe accident. Mwen te fe yon accident. I had one car accident. Mwen te nan yon accident. I was in a car accident. Okay. I had an accident. I had a car accident. I was in a car accident. Mwen te fe yon accident. Mwen te nan yon accident. The air conditioner does not work. The air conditioner does not work. Climatiser. Climatiser is air conditioner. Climatiser pas marcher. Pas marcher. In this case, the I makes it just one. Climatiser pas marcher. The air conditioner doesn't work. Some Haitians also say air conditionné. Air conditionné. What is your name? What is your name? Ki jan rele? Ki jan rele? What are you called? Ki jan rele? Some people also say ki non, ki non. What is your name? But the common way to say it is ki jan rele. What is your name? So to answer, you would say, my name is, and then you would say your name. Mwen rele. And then you say your name. Mwen rele, epi ou di non. OK? En anglais, ou dit my name is. Après ça, ou dit non. En créole, moi relais et puis ou dit non. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Ki numéro téléphone? Ki numéro téléphone? You can also say what's your number? Ki numéro without the phone or telephone. What's your number? Ki numéro téléphone? No problem. Pas gen problem. No problem. Pas gen problem. This is used a lot instead of saying you're welcome. So if you say thank you to someone, instead of saying de rien for you're welcome, they'll say pas gen problème. Pas gen problème, no problem. Have you been here before? Have you been here before? Est-ce que ou kon vin la déjà? Vin is short for vini. Est-ce que ou kon vini la déjà? Est-ce que ou kon vin la déjà? Have you been here before? Est-ce que ou kon vin la déjà? What is the make and model of the car? What's the make and model of the car? In Creole, we just say Mac for make and model. Ki Mac machine. Ki Mac machine. What's the make and model of the car? Ki Mac machine. Ki Mac machine. What year is the car? What year is the car? Ki ane machine. Ki ane machine. What year is the car? Ki ane machine. Do you have insurance? Est-ce que ou gen assurance? Do you have car insurance? Est-ce que ou gen assurance machine? Do you have insurance? Est-ce que ou gen assurance? Do you have your driver's license? Est-ce que ou gen licence ou? Do you have your driver's license? Est-ce que ou gen licence ou? Est-ce que ou gen licence ou? Let me have the keys, please. Bam clé machine na, s'il vous plaît. Let me have the keys, please. Bam clé machine na, s'il vous plaît. Bam clé machine na, s'il vous plaît. How much will it cost? Combien la coûter? How much money will it cost? Combien kob la coûter? How much will it cost? Combien la coûter? For this one, you're gonna need to know your numbers. Okay, wap oblige kon chif yo pou sa. It will cost $200. Lap koute $200. It will cost $300. Lap koute $300. It will cost $50. Lap koute $50. For this one, you need to know your numbers. How long will it take? How long will it take? Combien de temps la prend? How long will it take? Combien de temps la prend? Combien de temps ça apprend? How long will it take? It will take 1 hour. La prend inedta. It will take 1 hour. La prend inedta. And you really need to know your number for these. It will take 2 hours. La prend 2 Z temps. It will take 3 hours. La prend 3 Z temps. It will take 1 day. La prend yon jour. OK? Si ça prend un jour, ou dit, la prend yon jour. It will take 1 day. It will take 1 day. La prend yon jour. It will take 1 week. La prend yon semaine. It will take 2 weeks. La prend 2 semaines. It will take 3 weeks. La prend 3 semaines. It will take 1 month. La prend yon mois. It will take 2 months. La prend 2 mois. It will take 3 months. La prend 3 mois. Know your numbers for these. So now we're exaggerating. It's going to take 1 year. Okay? It will take 1 year. La prend un an. Kounya nap exagere. La prend un an pou yo ranger machine nan. It will take 1 year. La prend un an. So now you want to know if the person is dropping off the car and leaving it with you and then they're coming back. Eske wap kitel? Are you leaving it? Are you dropping it off? Eske wap kitel? Kite is to leave. Eske wap kitel? Eske wap kite machine na? Are you dropping it off? Eske wap kitel? Are you going to wait? Eske wap tan? Are you going to wait for the car? Eske wap tan machine na? Are you going home or are you staying? Eske wap tan? Are you going to wait? Eske wap tan machine na? We should have it ready by noon. Nap fini avant midi. For this one, you need to know the time. We should have it ready in 2 hours. Nap fini na 2 Z temps. We fixed everything. We fixed everything. Nou fixe tout bagay. Nou te fixe tout bagay. Te makes it past tense. Nou te range tout bagay. We fixed everything. How will you pay? How will you pay? Ki jan wap paye? Ki jan wap paye? Are you paying cash, credit card, a check? Ki jan wap paye? How will you pay? Ki jan wap paye? If you want to say thank you, you say merci. Thank you very much. Merci en pile. Thank you or thanks, merci. So then you would say you welcome. You are welcome. Okay. In Creole, you can say de rien, de rien. You can say pas de quoi. Some people will say pas de quoi, but I think it's mostly used in the countryside. And other people will say no problem. Pas gen problème. Pas gen problème. Have a nice day. Passe yon bon journée. Have a nice day. Passe yon bon journée. Okay? Passe yon bon journée. Have a nice day. So you want them to come back again and give you more business. You say tourner encore. Tourner encore. Okay? Come back again. Tourner encore. So now you want their friends' business too. Tell your friends. Okay? 10 amis. 10 amis yo. Yo in this case makes it plural. More than one friend, but you don't really need it. If you say 10 amis, then you're talking about all their friends. Okay? 10 amis, tell your friends. Tell your friends 10 amis or 10 amis yo. So we have reached the end of our video. I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this video or to listen to the podcast. I really appreciate your time and I appreciate your support. And Happy New Year because it's still January. Merci à tout moun ki pran tan yo pou yo gade video sa ou bien pou yo tande audio an. M'apresye tan nou, m'apresye support nou. Et si nou gen question ou bien commentaire, fèm konnen. Et comme nous en janvier toujours, et bonne année à tout le monde. Merci. Bye bye.